Hello everyone. So this class we are going to learn about the lesson A Role Model by Dr. ABJ Abdul Kalam. So this essay Give Us a Role Model is taken from APJ Abdul Kalam's book Ignited Minds. He begins the chapter with a quote of Mahatma Gandhi which highlights the importance of having faith in oneself. The importance of having faith in oneself is very important. It is this faith that makes one capable of doing even what one was not used to do until then. The author then moves on to a new reflections on his thoughts on having role models. He decides to meet students so that he could ask them of their dreams and tell them that it was perfectly alright to lead a good life, an abundant life full of pleasure and work for that golden era. Dr. Abdul Kalam says that whatever work is done should be done with a heart because then alone will they be able to spread love and joy around them. In his meeting with the students of Tiripura school where he discussed his second vision on transforming India into a developed country, a series of questions were asked to them. Of these questions, he shares two which he finds interesting. When students ask him where he and how to get a role model, he tells them to take their parents and teacher as a role model till the age of 15. According to Dr. Abdul Kalam, the full development of child with a value system can only come from these people. It is thus teacher who generate creativity in the child. Education and teacher-student relationship should not be seen as business, but with the nation's growth in mind. However, these qualities have to be nurtured by oneself as no law would bring this into force. To a question asked by another student about terrorists and their nationality, Dr. Abdul Kalam answered that there were Indians who were created through political and economic isolation. He then tells them with a great effort the story of epics Ramayana and Mahabharata, where the battle took place between good and evil. In all such battles, it is dharma or goodness that wins over evil. On this pilgrimage to various schools in the country, he came across a question from a student from St. Mary's School in Dindigul. The student wanted to know why the president had to ask everyone to dream in his book Wings of Fire. To this, he says that it is dreams that are converted into thoughts, which are in turn converted into action. Followed by this question, another student asked, who would be the real scientist? To this, he answered that he real scientist is one who questioned reality that would be done other than a child. And Dr. Abdul Kalam visited to Assam. He visited Testapura, where he was being honored with a doctorate degree. Indomitable spirit was the theme of his address, after which he was asked why the water from river Brahmaputra cannot be diverted into Tamil Nadu or Rajasthan, where there is water shortage. To this he answered them that in India Vision 2020 there are many rivers being connected cutting across the state. Another student expressed great displeasure at the ministers visiting close by places and avoiding any sort of interaction with them. At Sri Ramakrishna High School, Bokaro, he was asked why there was a desert in Rajasthan. To this, he gave the same answer that it would be included in 2020 developed program. The questions were different and very interesting. Upon releasing his autobiography in Odisha, Dr. Abdul Kalam was asked by the students which were his favorite books that influenced him. He mentioned four books which he held very close to his heart, which were The First in Man, The Unknown by Dr. Alexis Carrel, a doctor turned philosopher who inspires the reader to become a doctor. Thiruvallur Tirukkural, which produces an excellent code of life. Thiruvalluvar's Tirukkural, which provides an excellent code of life. Many Lamps by Lillian Elisha Watson, which eliminate his life, and the Holy Quran, which is a constant companion. On another trip to meet the school children in Anandalaya, Gujarat, he was asked a very intelligent question by the clever boy. The boy wanted to know who our enemy was. The answer too came from the same boy. He said it was poverty. It is to this boy the author dedicated this book. However, the last question was whether Pakistani weapons were stronger than India. It was answered that India can design, develop, produce any type of missile, any type of nuclear weapon. This is a capability only 4 countries in the world have. The most important question was whether we give our children a role model. According to Kalam, role models can help us focus on what is correct for us as individuals, as groups, and of course as a nation. He gives the example of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, whose vision succeeded over 3 decades through sustained and coordinated achievement at work. He says that role models play a guiding role in our lives. The power of Vikram Sarabhai was such that others took up his vision and completed it long after he was no more. Role models can lead to great success with the inspiration they instill in children.